Hey guys, what's going on? This is Shubham here, and today I have a new video for you guys. How to get the Microsoft Office 2016 full version premium for free with online updates they may give in the future. So yeah, without talking, let's get started. So I'll have a link down in the description. It'll be mega share. You have to just click it, click download, and just download it. Yeah, so it's in my downloads folder. Let me just open that. Okay, you see, I have it right here. I got it in the zip file or RAR file, and you need WinRAR to open that. Yeah, I'll have a link for that too. Okay, so once you extract it, you're going to get this. Okay, then you're going to get two folders, mainly two. Yeah, and this is the ISO file too. So if you want to burn it to a CD, okay, then you click on this, you click on the setup, and you run it. It takes like a lot of time, of course, because it's the whole office. So yeah, but then you see, I just did it, and I'm sure your PC will do it too. And then once it's that, okay, it'll just install the normal one. I'll just show you, like, suppose if I want PowerPoint. So if I have the PowerPoint right here, yeah, and if I open that, then you see it's just blank. Okay, see this my account. I just want to log out. So if you see, and suppose I click in a blank presentation, if I click file, then if I click where is it, account, yeah, and you see activation required. And so yeah, we're going to off that, means we're going to get that. So just close out of here. Okay, just close it out. Then put your PC in the airplane mode, or just off the Wi-Fi simply by clicking here. Just offing that. Yeah. So what you're going to do is just go to the same folder back again. Okay, you go there. Oops, sorry guys, that move is good. Okay, and just click here and just click on this. Okay, it's just going to ask you some permission. I'm going to say yes, and there's something which you won't understand, neither do I. So yeah, so I don't want it to take any action. So yeah, you just interface me and just click it. Okay, and then just click main window and activate Office. That's it. You don't have to do anything. So it's like, okay, so just load up. Hope my antivirus doesn't delete that. Just don't want it to delete it. Okay, just activating, and it's just completed. So yeah, so once you have done that, just close that out, and now let's just see the PowerPoint. Go back to PowerPoint. We open it up. Okay, see what's new. And now if we see that, go to file, and you should see the magic. Product activated. Bam guys, you get it. And it's not only for PowerPoint, just let me show you the Excel and the Word fast quickly. See the Word, it's good too. It's pretty much good. See, I have this, and bam. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe. This is Shubham signing off, and bye guys. Peace.